Oh man, I failed again. Look at this shit at the trail. Shit, man. Oh my god.
Oh my god, my bitch just overheated, man. Look at this, man. Little bit f***ing up with the clutch and you have the overheated bike. What a shit. We just came to the end. It would be awesome to climb that wall, but it's too dangerous. With the trial bike, maybe.
Wow. Oh shit, look at this. Oopsa, loopsa. Holy shit, man. Beautiful. Look at... I wanted to say look at this prepat, but what is that dude doing? What he's doing? Let's check out. Oh. Fucking, do you see anything, man? He's digging something. Let's take our scope. Oh shit. So let's check this out. Oh shit. I'm a left-sider today because of the camera. So looks like he's digging something, man. Oh my god, mosquitoes are killing me, man. Shit. Okay, he's cleaning the bag. How deep is that hole, man? We're gonna check out what's the inside of it. Must be some money or something, man. Oh my god, mosquitoes. So I'll put my GoPro off the helmet because you can't see it other way. Where did he go now? He put that shit inside of the... He disappeared like nothing. Not going down here, man. Got to go around. There was some rocks. Oh, it's not here anymore. Got to be careful because there is a long way down. Holy shit, I don't know if I can make it back up. Where is that hole, man? Man, what is inside of this? Oh, f. It's the back, man. It's fucking back. Got to be careful, maybe it's something expensive that can break. But I just hope it's money. Oh, f. Well, there's not a lot of things inside of this, but it's a bag and we want to know what that is. Gun. It's broken. And it's empty. What the fuck? There is a lot of hundreds inside of this bag, man. Oh my god, where should I put this? What the fuck? Man. Holy fuck. Oh shit, man. That's cocoa. Money, cocoa, and a gun. I'm going.
Good.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, f. Oh. Oh shit. He can't. I got to get this shit. Shit, that's heavy. That's my bag, bitch. Hello! Oh shit. Oh shit, man. I hit him. You think you can take the money I find? Huh? You think so, man? Is he down or not? He is. He tried to make a hole 1 meter away from another one. What the f? Everything here. I can sell this coke for, oh my god, I should not sip it like this. He just moved. The rocks are gonna kill him anyway. What is this hairy man? Something. Go like this and nobody will find him. They can't see him from here. They don't walk around. So that's like it, man. That's it. You died by walking, man. And by rocks. Holy f. He's not seen, man. I can't do things like this. But money is on first place in this resident. He had a gun. It must be some criminal. He's still there. Oh my god. I need to take this. Wait. How much money? Shit, so fast. There is 1,000 euros, man, and some silver rings. I hope one is Lord of the Rings, man. Okay, let's run, man. We just got rich again. Or we will be rich because we have like, I don't know how much juice of cocoa is there, but man, it's not small amount of it. He can't wake up.